Racing just is started. We have Zalinas very quickly at the start. Moving up party outside Zuberban as Sikura Spice Mistress. You belong to me. And on the outside Muskrat. Tiffany's Beauty. Tonozama while Stormtrooper is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Zuberban is on the outside. Zalinas is down on the inside. Moving up party outside. Now is Spice Mistress. Then followed over by You Belong to Me. Sikura alongside. Muskrat comes next. Tiffany's Beauty. Tonozama while Stormtrooper is still racing and less. Back to the leader. We have Zalinas by over the nose. Moving a party outside. Now is Spice Mistress. A length further back in third comes Zuberban. Moving up down on the inside. Muskrat. Sikura is on the outside. You Belong to Me. Stormtrooper. Tiffany's Beauty while Tonozama now racing in less than Diana entering the home stretch. We have Spice Mistress by about 3 lengths. And in second, Salinas moving apart the outside as Sikura as they swing for home. We have Spice Mistress this time by about 3 lengths. Moving apart the outside as Sikura, Salinas in the middle. Last 75 meters, Spice Mistress as Sikura moves up. And finally, as Sikuda, Spice Mistress. Then comes Salinas, Zuberban, Stormtrooper.
Masyadong tumulin dun sa kabila.
Kaya nga eh. Alright, 36154.